In this lesson, we're going to learn how to insert tables and how to convert text into a table. To insert a table, we need to click on the Insert tab, select Table, and let's say, for example, I want a 4-column, 5-row table. I will just move my mouse to insert 4 columns across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and when finished, click, and it will put the table in. To insert text into a table, you just need to click and wait to see where your cursor is flashing. Wherever that cursor is flashing, that's where your text is going to be. Now, in the line above this table, we have created a line of text using tabs. So in other words, Monday, and then a tab, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. If I wanted to convert this into a table, I would need to select the line, go to Insert, and we go to the same place, click on the arrow under Table, and convert the text into a table. And what it's doing is it's picking up 5 tabs, therefore it wants to put in 5 columns, which is correct. So in this case, and I've said it's separated by tabs, click on OK, and it will convert that text into a table. If I wish to convert it back into text, select that table. On the layout, on the table layout ribbon, in data, you can go to convert to text, separated by tabs, and OK. And you'll see it is now back into a text format again. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to format a table by adjusting the alignment, applying a style, and inserting a row or column, or deleting a row or column. Let's start off by increasing the row height of this table. The quickest way to do it is to move to the right-hand corner of the table till your mouse changes to a diagonal arrow and drag it out to the desired height. As you can see, the alignment isn't correct now. It's still sitting at the top of the cell in the table. So let's change this alignment. I'm going to select the whole table, and in the top right-hand corner we have 2 ribbons that apply to tables, the Design ribbon and the Layout ribbon. In the Layout ribbon, you'll find all your alignment options. If I select the arrow underneath alignment, you will see we have 3 rows here. The top row would be top left, top middle, top right, and then it's center left, center middle, center right, and bottom left, bottom middle, and bottom right. I would like to center this horizontally and vertically, so I'm going to choose the middle option here. And you can see it's centered top to bottom and left to right. If I wanted to keep it on the left hand side but be centered top to bottom, I would choose the first option where it remains on the left hand side but it is aligned top to bottom. That is how you change your alignment in a table. Then I need to add an extra column for Thursday. So I'm going to click in the Wednesday column, and if I right click, I can go insert a column to the right. That is the one way of doing it. I'm going to delete this column. The other way would be to go into the Layout ribbon and say Insert Right. It is going off the page. We're going to discuss how to fix that now. And I could delete it by clicking on the Delete Column option in the Layout ribbon. Rows. If I click on this row and I want a row above, I can go into the Layout ribbon and say Insert Above and delete the row. I could also click right at the end of the table after Wednesday. You can see my cursor's flashing outside of the table, and push my Enter key. That would be another way to insert a row. I could then select that row and backspace. That would be the keyboard shortcut way of doing it. To add an extra row at the end of a table, a shortcut would be to click inside that cell and just push your Tab key. And I can keep pushing my Tab key. To remove those rows, let's select both of them. Use the keyboard shortcut once again to backspace. Take it out. Alternatively, I could have gone to the Layout ribbon and done it over there. To apply a style to this table, let's select the table. In my Design ribbon, you'll see there's an option that says Table Styles. I'm going to click on the down arrow, and you could choose any one of these styles over here, and it will take on these pre-set up template type styles. Just to align this again, I'm going to select it in the layout ribbon, and I'm going to change my alignment to middle, center, vertical and horizontal.